how to share story of others on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can share story of others on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So if you'd like to share other story on Instagram, it's very simple. First of all, there are two types of scenarios. One is if you're mentioned in the story, what happens is that you will most likely get a pop-up over there that says this person mentioned you in a story, to which you can directly add it to your own story. But if you're not mentioned in the story, what you can try to do is you can open up that story and then you can simply go ahead and then take a screenshot of that story. Then go to the your story toggle here and then just try to choose to add that same screenshot over there. Now if you want, you can choose to tag the other person. So this is the only way that you can do if you are not mentioned in the story. You have to either take a screenshot or a screen recording depending upon what it is. So hope this video helped you as to how you can share story of others on Instagram. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching and see you soon in our next video.